I'm talking about this motherfucker's ass was so fat. And he was, this like a motherfucker's like your baby's mama. That motherfucker's ass was fat, ungodly fat, right?
Right.
And he gets in the shower with me. And we was the only two in the shower. And I turned around and I seen that soap going down his back through the crack of his eye. I said, God damn. And I knew I had a problem right there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously.
Mm-hmm.
I said, fuck his shit, man. I ain't cut like that.
But
right?
you hadn't done nothing then.
No, I ain't done shit.
Okay.
And so, it's, I say about 8 to 10 years in, you know, motherfucker get tired of all that jacking off shit. You know, and being that I came in so early, I didn't have no memories of